This video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called Gayn, G-A-Y-N. This is the ransomware that actually belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. Of course, my video is solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. But sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware may be easily injected. So, users may restart their computers or sign out and then sign in again, and they suddenly realize that this particular ransomware has been injected into the system and that they are no longer able to access their files because of this ransomware called Gayn, G-A-Y-N. This ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and then appends this G-A-Y-N extension additionally to the file name, so it's not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware tells its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration. So don't pay the ransom and don't waste your money. What I recommend you to do urgently is to scan your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then after it is successfully installed, start carefully investigating the system. Click on Start Scan button, and then the program will begin scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. So Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in this trial mode. So the software will first of all update its anti-malware database. Truly, this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. By the way, Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature. This feature does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their exact locations. Some threats can be removed manually. You can always upgrade to premium, and you can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data from further ransomware attacks. Please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.